Hey guys, Marcus here with the Reformation Woodshop. Today I'm going to show you how to make a farmhouse bookshelf entirely out of dimensional lumber. Let's get to it. Dimensional lumber, when it's split in half, it tends to move. It may cup, it may bow, or it may twist. One thing is for sure, it will move. So cut it and then build it quickly. Whatever you're gonna build, don't let it sit because it will twist, it will bow, it'll go crazy looking. Alright, so the way I'm going to be joining the shelves to each other is I'm going to be using scrap 2x4s and ripping them down to about this length and width. Length and width. They're going to be about 11 inches long. They're going to be cut about right there, and then I will just set the shelves on it, glue it, nail it, and then it'll be done. Alright, and then when that's done, the outside of the shelf, the bookshelf, will tag into this exact same rail so that it's all one consistent thing. And this is multi-purposeful. Is that a word? Multi-functional. Multi-purposeful is probably a word as well, but we're gonna go with functional. Alright, boys and girls, cue the sanding montage. Alright, now that that's done with, we're moving on to assembly. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the top, and then I'll screw in the bottom, and then I'll go to each individual shelf and measure where they're supposed to be and pop them in. Alright guys, that's it. I really appreciate you watching my video. Let me know what you think about the bookshelf and how it turned out in the comment section below. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. You don't have to do it, but you choose to do it, and I know you got a lot going on in your life, so I appreciate it. If you liked the video, please hit like. For more videos in the future, hit subscribe, hit that bell at the top so you'll be notified anytime I put something out. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Pow! Ro wanted to say hi.